Hi guys, it's Tuesday and I want to bring the newest scrapbook kit club release to you, share with you our August kit, and hopefully get some feedback on what you think, and just kind of share what's going on with Cheeky. So I hope you got a chance to, this is upside down, I hope you got a chance to join our YouTube hop on Saturday. If you did not, feel free to go back to that video and it will have links to all of the Cheeky Studio design team members, and you can hop throughout the YouTube hop and get some inspiration about a few of our favorite things. But I did want to also share with you some of my favorite things, which include scrapbook supplies, right? So August theme was based on a set of planner girls and scrapbook girls, and you know, I just wanted to have that fun, like, I don't know, just to celebrate scrapbooking and planning and journaling and things like that. So I created an ephemera set based on that, and then I did really enjoy the Maggie Holmes line that was being released called Willow Lane, so I added some of that, and I'll just share with you what I did. Now with this kit, I did provide a vellum planner page that is August, and it just has some lovely florals, and I thought that would be fun to add either to a scrapbook layout, to maybe make a layout that, you know, notes what you did through the month of August, maybe some summer trips, vacations, kids going back to school. Just, I know August is a busy time of the year, so I thought that would be fun. I've also started to include some of the just scrapbook layout templates and sketches so that you can have some inspiration on how to use these kits, and I thought that would be fun. It also has the name of the collection, and this one is Notebook Nancy. True decided to name the collection. And this collection was also a suggestion from my design team member, Heather. So she was the one that came up with this idea. I'll start with the pattern paper first. And this first one is from Amy Tan. It is her new collection called Shine On, and several of the papers are from the Shine On collection. This one has little words like smile, remember, explore, all inside of the cameras, and I thought that was a lovely pink and teal, and I just really liked the little white hash marks. So this one is We Are Memory Keepers Inked Rose Sentiments, and it has English on one side and Spanish on the other, and it just says some wonderful things like, let's go be adventurers, lucky charm, noted, camera, you are the best, you are my sunshine. So you could either fussy cut these out and make labels, or you could use it as a solid background. I just thought this would be really fun, even if you just put it in thirds and have this going down one side of the page, and maybe put a, you know, solid background on this side and kind of did some cute layout like that. This one is also the Amy Tan Shine On collection, and it is just kind of a wonky stripe. This has a leaf look to it to me. And this is the other side. This one's called Harmony, and I really enjoyed the little flowers. So I thought that was cute. This one is also Amy Tan Shine On, and it has some white and black flower elements on one side, and then the other is a lovely grid that also coincides with this paper and some of the other elements as far as the pinks and the blues. It looks like I'm missing a piece of paper here. Okay, I'll have to go look. Hold on. Okay, moving on. I guess I'm not missing a piece of paper. I just miscounted. So we also have two of these solid basil papers, one in pink and one in black. So there is a total of 6. I've been working on kits in the future, so sometimes they have 6 papers, sometimes they have 8. I've also been designing my own paper line, which I'm super excited about. I would like to get more and more exclusive in the kits and have more and more cheeky products as opposed to supplementing with other people's products. But, you know, that takes time, and also it's not the easiest thing to find manufacturers in the US to do a couple of things that I want done. So we're working on that. We will build on that, and for sure we are going to have some new papers that match our wildflowers collection. So stay tuned for that. So some of the elements here I will share with you. This is exclusive to the kit, and it is some 2x2 squares that I designed to go with the Notebook Nancy ephemera. This says, "Darling, just own it," with some lovely little lipstick stripes. "I only drink champagne on 2 occasions, when I'm in love and when I'm not." And that's a quote by Coco Chanel. "Some women fear the fire, some women simply become it. You can do anything but not everything." And that is something I have to remind myself of daily. "She has fire in her soul and grace in her heart. I love the person I've become because I fought to become her." And then that also has some, I tried to mimic like lipstick swatches on the backgrounds or like watercolors. So character, intelligence, strength, style, that makes beauty. Just a girl with a dream. It's got a little lipstick on it. You can totally do this. Come quickly, I am tasting the stars. And here's to chasing your dreams in the cutest pair of shoes you own. So I thought those were adorable. Also, I have from Crepe Paper Maggie Holmes, these are the thread bows. And I thought they would be super fun on a layout, especially a girly layout, which this is obviously all about girls and femininity. This is also by Maggie Holmes. This is the decorative fringe, and I cannot wait to see how my design team girls use it. I know I've got some ideas in mind, so super excited about that. This is 4 sheets of the Maggie Holmes stickers from Willow Lane, and just some lovely sayings. Also, they have the flowers and leaves, and they have some gold foil labels and borders and leaves, and then you can always use more hearts and lots of stars. And this does have a gold foiling to it, so that is super fun. There's 210 stickers in that. Oh, excuse me. I tried to sneeze. This is the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane by Crepe Paper sticker sheets for the alphas. And so you get the lavender, the teal, and you also get the coral and the blue. So those will be fun to mix and match. And then you also get this, oh, I guess I should put these over here because they count too. You also get 2 yards of this lovely teal twine. I thought that would go very well. And then the best part is the ephemera. So I cannot wait to share this with you. It is just, I love it. I love it so much. So tags, and isn't she adorable? I was trying to decide if I made her with purple hair or not, but I don't know. I didn't want to get too far out there. So there is tags, flowers. Now this girl, I had to make her hair kind of pink. It's just so pretty. Love her. And then there's iPhones and, oop, dropping things. There's some fun little zebra glasses and lots of flowers. You know me, I added lots of flowers. There's purple, yellow, let's see, what other, here's some more sunglasses, if I can reach them. Here's some more flowers. Flowers. You know me and flowers. Hold on. Flowers. More flowers. Bigger flower. Oh no, that's a donut. That's a donut on a saucer. There's a bigger flower. There is some more flowers. So you can see it's loaded up with flowers. And then, let's see, I don't want to dig through everything and take too much time, but there is journals and planners and notebooks, lipstick, lip gloss, because every girl's got to have lip gloss. I'm an addict, I know that. There is a stapler and a super cute pink planner. A fun camera. Let's see. Also, put these down. We've got an iPad or a frame, whichever way you want to look at it. This one is definitely inspired by an iPad. Plan on it. So do it for yourself and plan on it. A Rubik's Cube, a bottled water, there's those other sunglasses, the word hello. So you can see there are just tons and tons of ephemera because it is my favorite thing to do. And then some more girls. There's a little red-headed girl. There's a little girl with short, funky, cute hair. Another set of planners and notebooks. Here is an envelope or like maybe a satchel that has the planners in it. Another cute girl. There is just some items that would be on your desk, like paper clips and washi tape, little flags, gold clips, things like that, that I thought would be fun. Let's see. Put this down. There are some just little frames. Another iPhone. Some scissors. More florals. Let's put that down. My goodness, so much. You don't realize how much until you start going through it. Here are some little fashion labels, like for linen, like you know when you go out and look at textured and clothing and things like that. Here is a makeup compact. A cup of coffee with little hearts, some tape, another fun little girl. She's got, well, she's not a little girl, she's a grown woman, but she's got those purple sunglasses on. Some more frames, but these have words in them like big ideas, get it done, if not now, then when. Another girl with, she has blonde hair. And a couple of more flowers. And that is the Notebook Nancy ephemera. So it is in the shop now. The kits are quite a bit cheaper than if I have any left. Like if I have any left over, they're gonna cost more than what you would get if you subscribed. So I think that they are well worth the price. I've tried to price them very reasonably, and you get a ton of stuff, as you can see. yeah, and I just appreciate, you know, your support. I've had a great turnout for people being interested in the kits. These aren't like some of the kits where you pay, you know, a small amount and get a small amount. You can scrapbook like all month with this. It's like not a problem. You may have to add a paper or two. I don't, you know, but seriously, like who couldn't scrapbook all month with this and have leftovers? I do. I did it last month with Sweet Succulents collection. So that's my goal, to have them full and packed and fun and heavily ephemeraed with Cheeky. So yeah, if you're interested in signing up, I'd love to have you. And if you are interested in just the ephemera, that will be available, but everything else is in the kit. And I guess that's it. Yeah. I will share another video with you soon, and I appreciate you watching, and I'll talk to you later. Ta-ta for now. Bye!